Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, blessings. You don't know, say country life, sweet. Yes, my people, so I take a walk on the farm right now. So you know in the country we can do a lot of stuff. When you're in the country. And number one, I'm a farmer and I like farming. So I'm gonna give you a tour on the farm. Different things that we can do in the country. So please subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. Bless up. One love, one heart. Yes, my people. Yeah man, so you don't know say country life this yeah. Yeah man, so you don't know. Plant soon ready. Yeah man, so I make some plantain porridge very good for us. Yeah man, see that too. Aki. So in about a few more weeks time we'll have some aki and stuff. So welcome to the farm, you know. Coconut and everything same way. Kinda overcast today, we have to get some rain. Yeah man, so the banana soon ready. You realize it's a black banana. It's black. So it's a different type of banana them here. Very sweet. Now we out to get some rain right now, so you have to make sure we protect the animal them and stuff for it. So it's all about the country life, you know. So as a small farmer, yes, some people can buy a ram goat and also a female goat. You can start a business from there. I remember I started from about having like 2 female goats and 1 male. And right now, I have so many goats right now. A lot. So yeah man, so you see country life, we can do a lot of things in the country. We can achieve something. Don't matter how small you start, just try something with people. Yeah man. 2 babies, but they are female. So yeah, the breed still a build up same way. 2 female. So right here have some organic tobaccos. Organic. So you know in Jamaica, people them call it hot grabber. So I have a few tobaccos right now and it's organic. So wake up in the early morning, you can have a freshly papa. Have a whole heap of health benefit. So yes, my people, so I'm just planting the fruit trees at home so we can have some organic fruits. Yeah man, some papa here, you know. So this is some pumpkin that harvest off the farm. So I plant a lot of pumpkins. As you can see, look at the size. Very huge pumpkin. So nothing cannot beat the country life. Yeah, so most of the time I rather to be on the hillside. So taking a walk in the country, it's so relaxing. Natural beauty. So it's all about the country life, you know. So you all need to take a tour with Fire Reid and the countryside. So that's a pimento tree right there. Pimento. As you can see, a lot of Swiss up trees. And some people call the Swiss up in a different country, they call it sugar apple. But in Jamaica, we call it Swiss up. Sweet sap. So there are some pumpkins, pumpkin vines. So this is the wild basil. It's very nice for making tea. Very good for digestion and clean up the stomach. It have a minty flavor to it. So this is the cow waste. A lot of persons use it for fertilizing their plant, organic. So all of this here right now is some Cersei. So you know Cersei, them use Cersei to make some tea. And them say if your blood sweet, you can boil some Cersei tea and it balance back out your blood. So this is the Cersei, you know. Yeah man, the Cersei. You know Cersei have a very bitter taste to it. But it has a lot, it have a lot of health benefits. So this is the Cersei. You man use it to make some tea. You can even bathe in a Cersei also too. If you have some rashes on you, you can use Cersei and have a bath. So this is the Cersei. They have some seed, some red seed. Have a lot of health benefit also. How can I forget the country life? Place where I born and grow. Have my most livelihood in the country. Can't forget them place, you know. In our country, we make some nice tamarind juice. Yeah, man. Yes, my people, one love and one heart, you know. Country life in Jamaica is the best to me. So yeah, man, so them are the great guinea hen weed. You know, say a lot of person know say guinea hen have a lot of health benefits when it come on to arthritis and pain ahead. You just mix it with some alcohol and just rub the area that having the pain. So you don't know say guinea hen is here. Yeah, man, so you see it, guinea hen root, very strong. I tell you, no matter how far, if you pop this, I had about, say about 12 feet away, you can smell the guinea hen. Very, very good for pain. A lot of health benefits. So yeah, man, so the root, yeah, man, the root I eat, you know. So the guinea hen, so everything we see right here, be a guinea hen. Lots of guinea hen. So you know, say soursop tree this here. Yeah, man, you know, soursop good for the nerves and good to fight cancer cell. Yeah, man. So the bark of the soursop is very, very useful. Yeah, man, so this is the soursop leaf. So in the early morning when you wake up, you can have it on an empty stomach and also before you're going to bed. Use about 3 leaves of soursop. It's very good for calming the nerves. Yeah, man, I tell you now, yes, my people, all about life. So much health benefit around us and we are not using them. Yeah, man, we have some real garden bean, you know. Some real garden bean. So welcome to my farmer people. So yes, my people, as I'm telling some I chat the hills, you know, hills and valley. So it's very cold right now. Yeah man, so this is them call a lagwood tree. Them say hard coming like a iron, you know. The lagwood tree, them used to make a wire fence posts like you're fencing an animal and stuff. Yeah man, so we call them the sour orange, you know. So it have a sour taste to it. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.